Do you want to create content adapted to YouTube algorithms? Do you just need to attract as many users as possible and significantly increase the video viewing time? Do you want to constantly develop your channel and are looking for features that will help you to get to the top? Hi, my name is Victoria Machi. Watch this video until the very end. For you, we have prepared the top 3 useful life hacks.
You must try.
Tip number 1. Hook or cliffhanger. The beginning of your video should be intriguing.
Interesting.
You must do everything to get the attention of your viewer. How exactly to engage viewers depends on the content you post. If the video describes a project, first show the end result. People see the impressive result of the work and they become interested in how you achieved it. Another way is to tell a story. People love stories. If you start your video with a story, it will naturally generate interest. Viewers will want to know what happened.
What?
In addition, with the help of personal stories, the author of the plot will immediately win over the audience. Then it will be possible to move on to your topic. No matter what, the information should be related to the topic of the story. Viewers clicked on your video because it interested them. So immediately get them to the point of what they would like to hear about. Before you move to the second step, make sure you like this video. Links to our social networks are attached in the description under the video. Subscribe to learn more about our team. Tip number 2. End screens. End screens are a way to promote individual videos and channels. End screens are interactive graphic elements that serve as a redirect to other videos, playlists, channels, or web pages, or offer to subscribe to a channel. These elements can be shown in the last 20 seconds of the video. You can choose when exactly to add it. Your message at the end of the video will help engage viewers. End screens are useful if they are shown when you are still in the frame and keep telling your audience something. But if your end screen is without color, design, or any useful information, you are most likely going to close the page. But if you provide some valuable information, it will be a reason to stay on the channel. YouTube wants users to stay as long as possible on the platform, and watch time is very important to algorithm. If a viewer stays on your channel longer and watches other videos, then you increase your ranking in the algorithm. Think about where viewers can go after watching your video and direct them there by your end screen. The choice of the end screen depends on your purpose. Do you want to attract more subscribers, get more views, sell something? Goal setting is a good habit to develop. So when you're creating a video, you will initially know what goal you are pursuing. Tip number 3, shorts. Are you using this tool yet? We're starting right now. Shorts are short clips up to 60 seconds long, like TikTok but on YouTube. Therefore, almost all the tools that work in the Chinese social network can be used in shorts. Short vertical videos quickly gained popularity last year, but so far there are much more viewers for such videos than creators. Is your channel not made for short vertical videos because you are engaged, for example, in drawing? Do not rush to conclusions. Short videos are sustainable for any segment. Expert, educational, advertising, they all find their audience. If you don't know where to start, cut your long videos and analyze what your audience like and what doesn't. Choose a convenient schedule for posting such videos, from daily posts to a couple per week. To avoid interruptions, prepare videos in advance and publish on schedule. The most important indicator for shorts is viewability. Therefore, it is better to concentrate on short videos lasting 30 or 40 seconds. Experiment, analyze the results, and gain subscribers. Watch our other videos, write in the comments below what you would like to know about. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon. Bye-bye!